Come close to me tonight. Let the world drift away under the soft moonlight. There's nothing more to say. Your smile is all I need. Your touch is all I know. In your arms my heart can breathe, and I feel my spirit glow. Just stay close to me tonight. Everything feels right. Hold me gently, don't let go. Let your love shine slow. Just stay close to me tonight. You are my sweetest life. With you I'm feeling whole. You calm my soul. No need for fancy words, no need for perfect lines. Your love is soft as birds singing through the pines. When the night grows deep and the stars look down, I want your love to keep me safe and sound. Just stay close to me tonight. Everything feels right. Hold me gently, don't let go. Let your love shine slow. Just stay close to me tonight. You are my sweetest life. With you I'm feeling whole. You calm my soul. And if the morning comes, we'll still be here, wrapped in a love so soft, so clear. No fear, no fight, just you and I. Close to me tonight until the sunrise.